Hello again! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Ibab Life. Hello Philippines! Hello world! Hope you all have a wonderful day. Before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos and for the coming videos ahead. Today, we're cooking our favorite food, favorite dish of Filipino. I'm sorry, Filipino. Every occasion, this is always served. Our recipe today is pork adobo. Yes! Okay, let's get started. Here's the ingredients. Okay, here's the ingredients. 2 pounds pork belly. Actually, I bought 1 pound of pork belly and 1 pound of ribs. So I like to make adobo with a little bit bones because it's really good. Alright, and then 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 5 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 lemon, 1 whole red bell pepper, and 1 whole onion. You can use red onion if you want to. And also 5 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. I just turned on the stove and it's hot now. Okay, now we can pour the oil. Oil. Spread it. Okay, next we're going to put the garlic. I just turned on the temperature of the stove into medium. We have to fry the garlic, and then after this, the onion. Let's wait when it's brown first, a little bit. Antayin muna natin maging brown ng konti yung garlic. Tapos, isunod natin yung onion. Ang gagamitin natin onion is kalahati lang po, hindi yung lahat, ano? Kasi ititira natin mamaya. Okay. Okay, now we can put the onion. We just use half of the onion. The rest is gonna be later. Okay. Stir. I love the smell of the garlic. Oh, it smells good. Okay. Let me make it brown a little bit. Medium. Okay. Okay, now I can put the bell pepper. Also, we need half only. We don't need a lot because we're gonna use this later. This is my recipe for my pork adobo. Oh, that combination of smell, my goodness, it's so good. Okay, now we can pour the pork. Okay. Let's just leave this for at least, let's say 15 minutes. And then we'll come back after 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's cover it. 15 minutes. Let me put my timer for 15 minutes. Alright. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. 15 minutes. It's only like, how many seconds? 2 seconds? Okay. Okay, now we can stir this. Oh, look at that. Smell good. Smell good. You just stir this for now. And then we can pour the vinegar. Let's see. Okay, make sure that we stir everything. Okay. Now we can put the vinegar. Then the water. And then the lemon. Okay, I should be strong. Let me be strong. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay. Squeeze all the lemon. It's good. Help to tenderize meat. What, Bunny? Okay, I'm gonna pour the other one too. We just stir first. Okay, now I can add the other one. Okay. This is really good. You know, you have to try this. And you can serve this to your family and your friends, you know, any occasion. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Okay, stir it first. After we stir, we can put the soy sauce. We don't use salt. That's why we have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, because we don't use salt. Alright? Okay. Now if you don't want the color is kind of light, you can add another 1 tablespoon of soy sauce if you want to. It's up to you. Okay. Now we can put the black pepper. The rest of the ingredients, we will add it later. Okay? Okay, now we will simmer this.
Now we will boil
20
for
minutes.
20 minutes.
Put the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Alright. 20 minutes is over. Now we need to check our adobo. Let's check our adobo. Wait, it's kind of dark. Alright, it's finally done. After 15 minutes, I did 15 minutes. Ooh, okay, look at that. Let me zoom it. Zoom, zoom. Alright, look at that. It's finally done. Now it's ready to serve. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that juice. You know, if you don't want some juice or soup on it, you don't need to put water. You know, it's your option. If you want some juice or soup on that one, on this adobo. But for me, I like a little bit, you know, juice to put in the rice. Yum, yum. Okay. It's ready to serve. Be right back. Be right back. Alright. Ito na po yung adobo na ginawa natin. Tingnan nyo po. Ang it's finally done, our pork adobo. I have another version of pork adobo recipe, and I will show it next time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching my entire video, and I hope you learned something new to cook for your family and friends. Alright? Okay, bye for now. Until next time. Bye, Philippines. Bye, world. God bless you all.